What's going on YouTube? I've gone ahead and replaced all of my Tile Pros with the brand new Smart Tag from Samsung. I received this one free when I got my S21 Ultra, but I've gone ahead and purchased two more because I've been super impressed with them. As you know, a Bluetooth tracker is perfect for finding your keys, whether you're around the house or if you leave it somewhere outside of your abode, you can still find out where they are. So put it in a suitcase, put it on a pet. I actually put this in my mom's bag and she didn't even know it was there because I wanted to test out the accuracy. I know that was kind of funny. I thought it was pretty funny, but ever since I did that, I purchased these two and I put my tiles in the closet where they belong. But again, this really only works well if you have a Samsung device, a newer Samsung device is that. But let's just go ahead and review the Smart Tag. I'm going to tell you what I think about it and why, if you do have a Samsung Galaxy device, this is the only Bluetooth tracker you should buy. But let's go ahead and check out the Smart Tag together. Just showing you these two trackers, the most popular of course being the Tile. This is the Tile Pro and it's been very faithful to me. I've been using this for about a year and a half or so, and it's going to be replaced with the brand new Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag. And the reason why, I really like Samsung's integration, especially here in New York City. All you see is iPhones and Samsung phones. With Samsung's ability to use all the other Galaxy devices out there with their SmartThings apps to kind of ping this device if you happen to lose it, I think this is a much better option for a lot of people. Again, the Tile does work on just about every single device out there, where the Galaxy Smart Tag is just going to work on Samsung devices, on Galaxy phones and tablets and whatnot. Although I don't really see a lot of people walking around with tablets, but you can use your tablet to ping this device as well. So for those of you that do have an LTE enabled Samsung Galaxy tabs, S6, S7, whatever the case is, that'll also be able to ping the Smart Tag as well. So just taking a look at the size difference, the Samsung Smart Tag is just a tiny bit smaller. Again, it's more like a Pebble. It has that Pebble-ish type of design, whereas the Tile Pro is more of a manly squared off type of design, but relatively they're about the same size, give or take. But in terms of thickness, the Samsung Tag is just a little bit thicker. You can see that here, just a little bit thicker, but overall I think the footprint's a little bit smaller. And if we just take a look at them side by side again, both of them have replaceable batteries. So with the Tile, you just flip over this cover, and with the Smart Tag as well, you can just flip this open. Both of them are water resistant. The beauty of having one of these Smart Tags, again, not only can you find your keys, but you can also find your device if you want to. You go ahead and click it, and you can go ahead and locate your device. You can find out where it is. And if you do have some other Samsung smart devices out there, you can also double tap on this to activate those devices. I don't have any other smart devices from Samsung, but I like the ability to locate my phone, locate my keys, and I have to tell you the accuracy is really good. Now let me just show you the map where I tracked my mom, and you can see just about every block or every couple of blocks the Samsung Smart Tag updated, just meaning that someone had a newer phone that was able to ping my tag and give me a little bit of a location information. And at the end of it, she did end up at Trader Joe's on 18th Street, so this definitely is super accurate. And I think it's a great way to locate your keys because, again, you can use that Marco Polo heat map, and once you're in the general area, once you're inside of Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, whatever store you're inside of, you can use that map to try and locate your keys and get closer and closer. If you don't have a Samsung device, the Tile Pro is a great device. Now, don't get me wrong, but I've never really gotten the accuracy that I have with the Samsung Smart Tag on the Tile Pro. I've always been able to locate it within my house, but not to the accuracy, not to the degree of the Smart Tag. And I've also not been able to track it while I'm outside of my house. I did the same test a while ago, and because of the user base, because there aren't that many Tile users out there, you really can't locate your device. And there's also a paywall with the Tile Pro. I'm not about paying extra services for a device I already have. So that's why I think the Smart Tag is a great idea. It's a great value at $30. Up-to-date live tracking for the price of only $30. So that's definitely great. There's no paywall. You don't have to pay extra to locate your keys, locate your pet, or even locate your mom. But again, it really comes down to the user base, and that's why I think the Smart Tag is really going to take off. Now, opening up the SmartThings Find application, again, this is all done encryptedly. I think that's a word. It's going to be a word for this video. It's all done encryptedly. Now, what I like about this application is that, once again, it is encrypted. So because of the amount of Samsung devices out there, you are going to be able to locate your keys. And I believe Samsung, in a future update, by the time you're watching this video, it probably will be out, is going to do the same type of thing with the Galaxy Watch. So if you happen to drop your watch somewhere, if you happen to leave it somewhere, you can't find it in the house, you will be able to use the same type of idea using other people's devices to locate your belongings. So I think that's super great. But if we go ahead and click on my keys, which are right here in the desk, I just want to show you the overall application. because I think they do a nice job. Again, it's simple, but you don't need it to be overly complicated. You just want it to be able to locate your keys. Now, when you click on search nearby, it's going to give you a really cool graphic that's going to let you know basically if you're warmer or hotter. It's kind of like playing Marco Polo. It's going to let you know if you're getting closer to your device or not, and it actually worked really well. And if you do want to use the audible alert, you can click on the sound button, and it's going to ring your keys. And once again, that's a huge benefit over the Tile. The Tile just wasn't super loud. This is definitely an improvement in terms of sound quality. I'd say the SmartTag is a little bit louder than the actual Tile. And the battery, they say, is going to last a while, so I'm not too worried about this coin-operated battery on the inside. You can also use the Navigate feature, and it's going to help you navigate to your keys. So I think that's a great option as well. I think they did a nice job with their app, and I can only see this being improved later on. Now, here's the option if you wanted to find your phone, and you can even connect this to a tablet. I connected this to my S7 Plus as I was waiting for my phone to arrive, and you get the same functionality. So not only does Samsung use phones, but it also uses tablets to go ahead and locate devices. Again, with the billions of Samsung devices, phones and tablets around, there should be no issue using the SmartTag. When I am able to travel again, I'm going to throw one of these in my suitcase just for fun, and I might throw that video up if you guys are interested in it. Now, other than being able to control other Samsung devices by pressing the button, which I don't have, you can use it as sort of a smart alert, which is a smart idea. You can send a message to somebody letting them know you're in trouble. So you can go ahead and set this up as your safety alert system. You can also change the location mode if you want to, from home to night, and this again is going to interact if you have any smart devices from Samsung. And that's the same thing with run scene. So when you get home, you can press the button, turn on the light, turn on your TV or anything like that. So again, I think there's a lot of benefits to having one of these smart tags, not just as a location device. And if you hold on the button as well, you can do the same type of action. So you have a press and you have a hold, making this a multi-action type of device as well. Here's your volume. You get a whole bunch of different ringtones as well. Again, it is a key tag, so you don't need to go too crazy with the ringtone. I think they do an awesome job. Again, as a Bluetooth tracker, the more users you have, the more beneficial it is. And Tile does have a lot of users, yes, but it's still not the same type of thing. I don't think they're able to do what Samsung is doing, integrating it into the phone, integrating it into the ecosystem. I do like this idea of a Samsung Smart Tag. I just hope Google or any other manufacturer, maybe OnePlus, doesn't go the same route and makes a tag just specific for their devices. Because if you don't have the user base that Samsung has, it's not going to work out. I do love my Pixel, but it doesn't have the user base that a Samsung phone has. That's just the honest truth. So Samsung is able to get away with it because of their user base, and Google as an Android platform would get away with it just because of the amount of Android devices out there. That's basically it. If you are looking for a Bluetooth tracker and you have a Samsung device, if you're a Samsung Knight, Samsung fanboy, and you're Samsung for life, this is a great option. This is a no-brainer, but let me know what you think about it down in the comments below. For me, it's a win. For me, it's a must. But I like to know your opinion, and I always appreciate you guys watching. So thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.